our last wage settlement was signed in the year 2009. From 2009, over 10 years have passed. There is no wage revision in Goa State Cooperative Bank. So we are demanding that the management should immediately revise the wages and service conditions of all the employees and officers. So we have been patiently waiting with the hope that the management would discuss with the union and association and resolve our demands. No? But they have not done. So that is why this one day protest Dharna in front of the head office of the bank. Demands is normal. Every 4 or 5 years, the bank employees have to be given a wage rise. So the last wage revision was given for the period from 2009 to 2013. So after 2014, there is no wage revisions. We are expecting that reasonable wage rise should be given from 2014 onwards. Initially, there was a board of administrators was appointed. They assured us, and they did not settle. Now the new board has taken over, and they also are giving assurances and excuses, but not settling. They have been giving excuses and assurances, but not settling. So the position of the bank is much better than before, and they can easily settle our demands. So we are appealing to the management to immediately give a wage rise to the employees. So next step would be another dharna. We will go on holding dharnas, peaceful dharnas. We do not want to disrupt the bank or banking activity. We will hold peaceful dharnas till the management sees reason and discusses with the union and association and settles our demand.